So if you want to see when things are due in your course or all of your courses at the same time, when you're inside of Blackboard, go ahead and click Calendar, and then you can simply click Due Dates, and it will show you everything that's due and when it's due, and it's all color coded by the color that's next to your course inside of the courses link. And as you scroll down, you can see everything laid out by date. If you want to go by month, you can click month and it will actually show you a month layout and when things are due. Again, color coded by the month. So you can see it looks much better in my October. So you can really get an idea of where things are sitting. Especially something like this. If you have a lot of classes where things are due on Sunday, your Sundays may look like this right here. So this is the easiest way for you to see when things are due, what's coming up. You can go into individual courses and you can go to the calendar link and you see the exact same interface, but instead of showing you all of your courses, it will show just the single course. So it's always good to go out to Blackboard in general and then go into your calendar so you can see everything.